How can vascular surgeons have a future?
I think that if you want to become a leader, you should not only do surgery, but you should have knowledge and experience in the medical treatment and in the interventional options. So to treat vascular disease, there are three different targets that you have to focus on. Not only surgery, but become aware about the medical treatment and the interventional options. Only when you have experience in these three fields, you can become again the leader as it was 40 years ago.
The cooperation between industry and the medical profession is very important for the advancement of medical therapies. How does it look like at this present time?
I think that the industry now is hampered a little bit by the government and the rules, the laws. So it's a natural way that the industry and the doctors are working together, because hand in hand they have to face the regulatory affairs and they are difficult to overcome. So if you do not cooperate, you cannot make progression, because you need each other to deal with the rules and the politics. So that is the fortune for the industry as well as for the doctors, because they are on a natural way partners to make better solutions for the treatment of the patients.
What is your personal experience in working with Datascope Intervascular, Professor Moll?
Datascope and I know each other from a long time because of the prostheses for the vascular surgery. But I became puzzled by Datascope 2-3 years ago, because they went into the direction of vascular interventions and then they stopped all kinds of projects and they made a restart. And now I'm waiting to discover their focus. At the moment, Datascope is trying to find their focus, and they need to have that. Otherwise, without the focus, and companies know it better than doctors, you cannot become a market leader. So I'm very interested in the future of Datascope and how they find their direction.
Having developed several innovative products yourself, you have a great overview about the medical device industry and its development. Can you tell us about the next hottest product concepts that will arrive in vascular therapies?
I think the next hottest products in technology, in medical technology, not in the medicine, is the combination and the adaptation of the physiology and pathophysiology. In other words, we make stents, and by trial and error we discover that some stents are working well and others are not working well. But we do not have enough knowledge about all the movements of the different parts of the artery and the venous system, arterial and venous system. So in other words, we need to focus on the physiology of the human body, and in combination with the new technology, it should be more adapted into the human body. Probably in combination with the medical research, because you need biological concepts as well. But that will be the new direction.